A 5 kilowatt solar system is needed for loads like an air conditioner. If you are also running an air conditioner inside your home, you can install a hybrid system from Luminous in your home. That too of 5 kilowatts. With a 5 kilowatt system, you can easily run your 1.5 ton inverter air conditioner along with the other loads in your home, or you can run two 1 ton air conditioners along with the other loads in your home. A 5 kilowatt solar system can generate around 25 to 30 units of electricity in one day. It will depend on which technology of solar panels you have used. Here, in a 5 kilowatt system, you do not install exactly 5 kilowatts of solar panels, because in the market, panels from 550 watts to 620 watts are available. So, you have to prepare the system according to the available panel capacity. But if you want to install it, the good thing here is that Luminous has two different types of inverter technologies available, and their prices are also different. Here, if you want to prepare a cheaper system, you can use the TX series inverter. With this inverter, you can install lead acid batteries and prepare a cheaper system. But I absolutely do not recommend this. However, in a transformerless technology system, you have to install a lithium battery, so its cost becomes higher. But when you look at it in the long term, the transformerless technology system will help you save more money. The lithium battery used in that system also has a much longer life, but still everyone's budget is not the same. That is why you also need to first look at your budget and see how much your budget is. Only then can you choose the right system for yourself from these two systems. So first of all, let's talk about how much it will cost to install a 5 kilowatt system with the TX model. This inverter supports solar panels up to 5 kilowatts. It comes with an MPPT controller. That is why its VOC will be from 65 to 165 volts. So you can connect 2 or 3 panels in series and install them with this inverter. You can get this inverter for around 65,000 rupees. 4 lead acid batteries have to be installed with it, which will cost you around 55,000 rupees. And 5 kilowatt solar panels will cost you around 1.5 lakh rupees. Apart from this, there will also be the cost of the structure, wiring and other things, which will be around 60,000 rupees. So this complete system will cost you around 3.3 lakh rupees. And here you will then get a subsidy of 78,000 rupees. So after the subsidy, you will get the total system for less than 2.5 lakh rupees. And here you should go with this system only if your budget is very tight. Otherwise, you should go with transformerless technology. With transformerless technology, the inverter will be a little more costly, but you will also get quite good features in it. Its full load capacity is 5 kilowatts. You can also install solar panels up to 7.5 kilowatts with it, because these inverters come with 30% overloading capacity. So you can easily connect solar panels up to 7.5 kilowatts with it. And you will get this inverter for around 1 lakh rupees. It will depend on where you are purchasing it from. If you get this inverter for more than this price, then you do not need to buy it. In the market, you can get good inverters from other brands in the same price range. Now, let's talk about the lithium battery. This lithium battery will cost around 85,000 rupees. However, this price can also vary between 85,000 and 95,000 rupees because it depends on how much margin the dealer and distributor are keeping. Right now, 5 kilowatt solar panels will cost you around 1.5 lakh rupees. However, this price can also be higher because, as we explained, in a 5 kilowatt system, you do not install exactly 5 kilowatts of solar panels. For example, if you use 9 panels of 580 watts, their total capacity also becomes more than 5 kilowatts. Similarly, if you use 9 panels of 620 watts, their total capacity also becomes much higher. That is why you should consider the solar panel cost to be around 1.5 lakh rupees. Apart from this, you will have an additional expense of around 70,000 rupees. This will include the structure, wiring, ACDB, DCDB, lightning arrestor, earthing and other things. So with this inverter, your total cost will come to around 4 lakh rupees. However, this cost can be lower or higher because the structure and wiring cost that we mentioned, around 70,000 rupees, can be 50,000 rupees at some places. It can also be 60,000 rupees. So the price can vary. But roughly speaking, if we consider the price, it will come to around 4 lakh rupees. On this, you will again get a subsidy of 78,000 rupees. So this system will cost you around 3,30,000 rupees after the subsidy. So I hope you now know how much it will cost to install a 5 kilowatt solar system from Luminous. If you still have any questions or suggestions about this, please comment in the video comment box. That is all for today's video. Thank you.